Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. That is what I need to do today. That's what I need to add to my to-do list. I need to order a headband for 12 days of foundation hunt because this just isn't cutting it. But from the title and the headband, y'all already know what it is. I'm doing a foundation hunt today, and it's on a foundation that the streets been talking about. So if you want to hear about it, then so Huda dropped a new foundation, but she also dropped a primer as well. So I went ahead and picked that up. This is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. I'll have the information up about this on the screen. And then this, of course, is the Faux Filter Skin Finish Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick. This retails for $39 for 0.44 ounces. Comes in 39 shades, I believe, and I picked it up in the shade Chocolate Truffle 540G, so fingers crossed. That's what it picks up the liquid foundation in, so fingers crossed that this one works. What do they say about this? A lightweight foundation that glides on easily, providing customizable coverage with a natural looking skin-like finish. Coverage is full to light, finish is natural, formulation is stick, and skin type is normal, dry combination, and oily. It's cruelty-free, fragrance-free, transfer-proof, waterproof, humidity, and sweat resistance formula melts into the skin for a natural filtered finish. Whether you prefer. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the primer. I like the packaging of this for some reason. Come on. Okay. Ooh, it's a little watery than I thought it would be. Yeah, she got that little stick to her. Huda always has some type of fragrance in her products, and it's like, Ma, I really don't need grandma's purse in every product that you put out. But that's certainly not as strong as some of the other products that I've tried from her. Actually, the liquid foundation, I believe, broke me out. But it also has very strong scent, so that's not as strong, just letting you guys know that there is a scent. Now for the foundation, oh, the packaging actually looks like this, very sleek, very cute. This is what the shade looks like. I got hopes. Okay, so let's, oh, ooh, okay. All right, now let's go ahead and blend that out. Cause y'all know I like foundation sticks. Foundation sticks don't like me, but this one, wait, I see some. So this is what she's giving off of just one, I guess you would say, layer of product. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. So that is it for my face today. It is 11:19, so I'm gonna go check in midday, and I'll see you guys back here in my filming light so I can tell you guys my thoughts on this foundation. So it is 5 p.m. This is what my face is looking like. I am starting to get oily, which I'm not surprised by. Like I said, me and foundation sticks, we got a love-hate relationship, but I feel like some of this is just how the light is reflecting off of my face. Like my forehead is not, it's not that oily. Like, I don't know if coming in, like you see how it's literally just how the light is hitting my face, but other than that, she's giving real, like I just applied this, even though I applied this, I don't remember what time I left for the day, 11 something? I don't know, 6 hours ago, something like that. That's what it's giving me. I see some things, okay? But I'm gonna come back in my studio lighting and see what that's giving me. I have to remember, like, it's that time of the year now where I'm gonna have to do the check-ins earlier before the sun goes down, so I can do it like in front of a window or something like that, so we can have natural lighting, because, you know, it's that time where it's dark by like 4 in the afternoon. But this is what she's looking like. So I am back. It is 7:25. This is my face looking like. We were so close. We were so close to being like, look, Huda done came and gave us the foundation of the year that's gonna make 2020 not as disastrous of a year as it's been, but we missed the mark like just a little bit. I love the finish of this foundation, but I think, you know, you can see I'm looking a little oily. Bars, been coming at y'all with these bars lately in my videos. But I'm getting a little oily in my T-zone right now. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, I do have combo oily skin, oily in my T-zone, pretty normal around the rest of my face. And honestly, like I've said several times in just about every video where I review a foundation stick, I am not surprised. They're usually a little bit more creamy in formula, creamy, oily skin. Honestly, the only foundation sticks that I've found work pretty well with me are the Mented foundation stick, and then Black Radiance has a matte foundation stick. But even with those two, I gotta prep correctly, okay? And I say the word prep with some emphasis there because do remember, like, I tried the foundation stick and the primer as well. So I'm actually trying 2 new products right now. So that's why I'm like, there's still a little hope though that Huda still did what she had to do when it comes to this foundation. Let me quickly though refresh myself with what they said about this. What'd you say? A lightweight foundation that glides on easily, providing customizable coverage with a natural looking skin-like finish, transfer proof, waterproof, humidity and sweat resistant formula. Okay, so honestly, a majority of what it is description is pretty accurate. It gives you that natural skin-like finish, glides on easily, almost like melts. I saw a tweet, was it Yamaya? I saw a tweet that said like it melts into your skin. It pretty much does that. I love the finish of this product. But because it is pretty true to its claim of like that natural finish type thing, natural finish doesn't do much for oily skin. So you throw in the primer, it's a jelly primer. You know, jelly primer is like the, I think NYX, Elf has one. It's kind of similar to Hydro Grips, kind of got that tackiness. I don't believe it claims to be like a gripping primer, but you guys saw like my face, kind of my hand kind of, you know, sticking to my face. Those primers usually just say that they're gonna like hydrate your skin, they're gonna make it easier for makeup and stuff like that. They usually don't say anything about, you know, mattifying or any type of oil control, which, you know, if you have oily skin, that's what you're looking for. The Hydro Grip still helps with mattifying. And the Elf primer one, I feel like I got this question before between the NYX Jelly Primer and the Elf Jelly Primer. I feel like if you're looking for a good gripper type of primer, NYX is going to give you the same thing that the Hydro Grip gives you, but if you're looking for that same type of gripper, whatever type primer, that's more affordable and similar to the Milk Hydro Grip with the mattifying, then Elf is going to give that to you. I hope that made sense. So if you're just looking for something that's pretty similar to Hydro Grip, then NYX Jelly Primer is going to do that for you. If you're looking for something similar to Hydro Grip with a little bit more mattifying, then Elf is going to give that to you. Hopefully I got that through the way I'm trying to process this. So the point of all this, with the Huda primer, it's pretty much just a good hydrating, almost grip-like primer. It doesn't really do much as far as mattifying the face goes. So that's why I'm like, there's still a little hope left for this Huda foundation, because when I do prep my skin the way I need to prep it using foundation sticks, I usually get a lot better wear out of it. I didn't get horrible wear out of it. What time did I leave? 11-ish, something like that. I think it's been like somewhere around like 8 hours on my face. I feel like if I blotted my face right now, which I will after I finish talking, I'd still like the fit, the look on my face. Yes, it would look worn, but not like, yikes, you know, that type thing. So I'm not mad at it now, but I feel like if I did prep my skin a little bit more for someone who has oily skin, I would like the finish even more. And my thing is, I think I would like the 2 products, but I just don't think I like them together. Like, I'm gonna try the jelly primer with other things because, you know, I use other jelly primers and they work just fine, but that's because I balance it out with the other products that I use on my face. And I'm gonna try the foundation out with other primers, other powders, other stuff like that. See how I balance that out, because I really feel like, you know, you get that right recipe for your face there, and like, listen, this foundation go do things to you, because again, like I said, I love the finish of this on the face. So I do have half a tissue here, so let me go ahead and, oh, before I blot my face, one thing I did kind of notice throughout the day, that claim said she transfer proof. Well, you know, I don't know about transfer proof that much, but you know, I've had worse transfer, right? I've had worse transfer. She gonna transfer, okay? I don't know about transfer proof, you know, transfer less, maybe that. Transfer proof, I don't know. So yeah, those are my thoughts on the foundation for right now. I feel like she's just okay. Wednesday, what am I filming almost? Yeah, so because it has nothing to do with foundation. So Wednesday's video, I will try the foundation again. with a better strategy for oily skin, so you guys can see how it would look, and I will obviously tell you how that wears. And then at some other point I'll try the primer with, you know, maybe a more mattifying foundation, stuff like that, so I can give you a better update on the primer. Let me insert a flash test here before I forget, and yeah, I feel like that is pretty much it for this video. So I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.